My name is Devin Cowens. I live in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm on the advisory board for the East Coast Greenway Alliance. I grew up in a big city in Dallas, Texas. I went to college in North Carolina and then moved to Washington, D.C. I was car free for 12 years and essentially was a bike commuter for that entire time. And without having access to trails and greenways, I couldn't have lived my life on a daily basis. I was going to work, going to the grocery store, running errands, riding with friends, doing all types of stuff, and an added benefit of fitness. And so I've seen the importance of trails. Being able to purchase off of a trail also adds value for me to be able to visit my local farm stand, to go to the grocery store, to go to the brewery. And so I do a lot of stuff off of the trail near my house, and I would love to sort of continue to make that a reality for a number of populations. In 2019, I was working with the Greenway, and I was part of the planning team to put this event into motion. I find it a privilege to have the opportunity to do rides like this and to be able to be an advocate for trail use. I think that it's important to bring more attention to the fact that there are these spaces that you can access different cities safely, be outside with other folks who are commuting by bike, walking, jogging, etc. I think that the pandemic has showed us that there's a necessity for healthy lifestyle, for getting outside, for accessing nature on a regular basis. I think that putting money towards making these trails and this specific corridor from New York to Philly along the Greenway safe is really key. I think there's a lot of traffic, there's a lot of industry happening between those places, and so to be able to expand the network to make these trails wider so that there's multi-use, to make the trails known to folks who live off of it or close to it, such that it's not just someone going from New York to Philly. It could be someone commuting to work, someone taking their kids to school and figuring out a way to get there without a car. Access is a privilege, and so the Greenway existing allows for opportunity to reach more folks.